There are three types of RNA: messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, and transfer RNA. We're going to begin our discussion of these three different types with messenger RNA because it is key to the first step of protein synthesis known as transcription. Transcription is catalyzed by an enzyme known as RNA polymerase, and what happens is a single strand of DNA kind of disentangles itself from the other strand, and messenger RNA aligns its nitrogenous bases according to the complementary base pairs of that DNA segment, or of that gene segment. And it runs in the opposite direction. So if the DNA template, or that strand of DNA, runs from the 3' to 5' direction, the messenger RNA will do 5' to 3'. So we notice in this graphic that in the DNA there's an adenine, so in the RNA there would be a uracil, and where there's a cytosine there's a guanine. Once the messenger RNA has copied or transcribed the sequence in a gene from DNA, then it leaves the nucleus, which is where the DNA is, and then heads outside the nucleus to a ribosome. The ribosome is an organelle found inside a cell that is also known as a protein factory. It is where protein synthesis occurs. And ribosomal RNA, or lowercase r RNA, and proteins make up the ribosomes, which are really complex. A typical ribosome consists of a small subunit and a large subunit. Both of these units contain proteins and RNA, and the messenger RNA fits in a groove in between the small subunit and the large subunit. Once the messenger RNA is secured in the ribosome, then translation can occur, and that is when a polypeptide is actually synthesized. And the heavy lifting is done in that process by transfer RNA. Every 3 nitrogenous bases on the messenger RNA is what's known as a codon, which represents an amino acid. The transfer RNA has anticodons, which are triplets with complementary base pairs to the codon. When the transfer RNA lines up these complementary anticodons, or complementary base pairs, the anticodon to the messenger RNA codon, this signifies a given amino acid. The transfer RNA aligns this amino acid to other amino acids to form a polypeptide chain, and the ordering of the amino acids depend on the codons in the messenger RNA that the transfer RNA reads, and these are the transfer RNA and the messenger RNA are able to come in contact with one another through the ribosomal RNA.